Okay guys, so for today's stitch of the week, we are doing the bar and lattice stitch. Okay, so let's go ahead and get started. As you know, I'm just using a medium full weight yarn and a 5.0 millimeter crochet hook just for this sample. So you will need a multiple of 4 plus 1 plus 5 for your foundation chain. So I'm going to start off with chaining 20. So just put your hook under your yarn and twist around like that. And you can do it in slow-mo if you need to. And then start your chains. That was 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You'll need to go to 20. Okay, so now you have your 20 chains. So now you will need to add 1 and then add 5 for the foundation. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So for my sample, I have 26. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to double crochet in the 10th chain from the hook, okay? So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Double crochet in the 10th chain from the hook. Okay, it'll look like this. Now we're going to chain 3, 1, 2, and 3. Skip 3 chains, 1, 2, 3. And in this 4th chain, we're going to double crochet. Just like that. And we're going to repeat that across. So chain 3, 1, 2, and 3. Skip 3, 1, 2, 3. And in the 4th chain, make a double crochet. Chain 3, 1, 2, and 3. Skip 3, 1, 2, 3. And in this 4th chain, make a double crochet. There we go. Chain 3, 1, 2, and 3. And skip 3, 1, 2, 3. In your last chain, make a double crochet. Okay, so there's your first row. All right, so for the second row, you're going to chain 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And we're going to turn our work. We're going to skip this first double crochet in this chain 1, and in this next chain, we are going to make a single crochet in that middle chain. Okay, now that we've done our single crochet, we're going to chain 2, 1, and 2. And we're going to skip the next chain, and we're going to double crochet in this next double crochet. And it'll look like this. I'm going to chain 2, 1, and 2. And we're going to skip that next chain again, and we're going to single crochet in this middle chain. Chain 2. Going to make a double crochet in this top of this double crochet. Chain 2. Skip that first chain, and then we're going to single crochet in the middle chain. Chain 2. And we're just going to keep repeating this. Double crochet right there on the other top of the other double crochet. And then chain 2. Skip that first chain. In that middle chain, make you a single crochet. Chain 2. Double crochet in the next double crochet. Chain 2. Okay, after you chain 2, you're going to skip the first chain, and in the second chain, you're going to single crochet. chain 2, and then you're going to double crochet, skip the next chain, double crochet in the next chain, which will be the 4th chain. Okay, so that's the end of row 2. So for row 6, going to chain 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Okay, so you're going to double crochet in this next double crochet over here. Just like this. You're going to chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and you're going to double crochet in this next double crochet. Chain 3, 1, 2, and 3. Going to double crochet in the next double crochet. Chain 3, 1, 2, and 3. Double crochet in this next double crochet. Chain 3, 1, 2, and 3. Double crochet in top of the chain 3 of the double crochet. 1, 2, 3. Okay, that's really all you do to this. You just continue working rows 2 and row 3 over and over. And that's your stitch. Isn't it beautiful? Now, right here, I ended with row 2. If I'd have gone and done one more row, row 3, it would end like this right here. So you would want to end with row 3. But there it is, guys. Just keep repeating rows 2 and row 3. And it's real easy to remember because row 3 is basically just double crochet, chain 3s, double crochet, chain 3s all the way across. Your row 2 is the one that involves the single crochets. So row 3 is always like that. And then your row 2 has this pretty little stitch to it. Okay, guys, that's all that I have. Have fun with this bar and lattice stitch and create something beautiful. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe.